Ferrari 812. Look, my circulation is fine, don't worry about me. Got the sign on the wall. Hope you guys, oh, stop fucking watching. Now, this car is from 1992.
Yes, Enrique's back. Enrique!
We've got an RSQ8 here, which we had outside. We gave it a good wash. It's now back inside. It's coming from our user-approved dealer. We're just making sure that there's no scratches, no dents, no damage to the car. Got a couple of the boys here as well. They're just making sure it's nice and clean before the customer comes and collects it. See, in here, we've got better lighting, so we can actually see if there's any swells or any scratches on the vehicle. So if you follow me this way, I'll actually mark up a few. We've got some lights here that we use as well to help us see and identify any problems. I can already see a few here. So we just mark it up, and either myself or the boys will go around and polish in the vehicle.
Yeah, I'm down.
Go on, get that front edge.
Get your back end down.
Go on, mate. Got it.
Bond's taken this. Hold that 2 seconds. It's hard with that matte paint.
Yeah. Banging, mate.
Sweet.
You know, there, while you do that.
That top corner, right? Yeah?
Yes, mate.
Right. So yeah, we'll sand down each individual arch just to create a rough surface for the Bond to adhere to. Put a thin line of bead around the outside just to secure it. Get one person holding one end in place while the other person lines it up, just ensures that it goes in the correct position. Once you've completed the arches, we've got to swap the wheels over to the new wheels there. We've done the upper spoiler, lower spoiler, the rear diffuser. But we also do a colour code or a gloss black aperture on the rear bumper and side skirts. These normally come in like a brushed stainless steel. We'll take these off and fully powder coat them. So this is the front lip splitter, goes over the original. We do a complete dechrome on the vehicle. We've still got to wrap the windows surround, but yeah, other than that, all done.
So we've got the Aston Martin DBX 707. Obviously that is the original colour right here, and this is the colour it's going. Do we like the original colour? I know a lot of people are really, really feeling this. I think the grey does suit it a little bit better with obviously the carbon everywhere. So what's left? 2 doors. I don't know if that wing's done as we walk around. The boot lid's still done. Lenny, what's Lenny doing? You all right there, mate? Are you warming up your hands?
Yeah, it's cold.
Huh?
It's cold out.
It's cold. Hold on a minute. You're the guy that tells me that you love the cold and you hate heat.
Yeah, but I don't like cold hands. No one
Look
likes
how
cold
white
hands.
your hands
I
are.
know, my hands don't tan. Well, like, my circulation is fine, don't worry about me.
Those hands don't look like they belong on this body.
Can we not do this? Like, can we not,
I don't know, it's like-
Can I just stand in like this now?
Yes, the boys are cracking on with the DBX. Let me grab a mic off Lenny.
Yeah, well, they're about the same, yeah.
Vlad, how are we getting on?
Morning, morning. Good.
Morning.
It's a bit hard. The shape of the car, you know, and we work with zero stretch, so
Yep.
make sure it's not lifting anything. Even there and here with this deep recess.
What, the recesses?
Yeah, we just try to lay down the vinyl in that hole and not just stretch, and maybe of the future is gonna lift it up. So now with zero risk, it's not gonna lift it up.
That's good. We don't want it to lift
Yeah,
up, that's for sure.
nothing, yeah.
Do we prefer this colour or the original colour?
Original car.
You prefer the original
Yeah.
colour?
Yeah.
Starting a Lamborghini with a key is easy. Let me show you. Foot on the brake, hit the start button, and away we go. And that's the exact reason why I don't want it to get stolen. That's why I've got 24-hour security to keep my car safe. No, not Justin. One of these, a CAN Phantom. This device here will stop any vehicle from being stolen. Henry's going to install this device in my car and I'll be back in an hour to see how it works. So it's an hour later. Will my car start?
No.
Let's try it. Foot on the brake as before, start button. Nothing. The only way I'm going to be able to start this car is with a code. There is loads and loads of combinations that you can do and loads of different buttons you can use. So it's left, right, down, and lock. Indicators are flashed. Even if someone has your key, they can't start the car. If someone clones your key, if someone scans the front of your house, they can't start your car. The only way this car will now start is with a key and a code. This can be fitted onto any car, is that correct?
Any car.
So yes, this is a Lamborghini, but the most common cars that are getting stolen at the moment are the Range Rovers, the BMWs, and the Audis. Can Phantom, fit it, keep it.
Stop f***ing watching, go on, f*** off. So I've got this RSQ8, old exhausters off, got a Miltech going on, cat back. So the standard cats are staying in. We've got just downpipes going through. You've got a smaller back box going on. And yeah, I think it's a bit wider on the pipe as well.
Ferrari 812, got the rear quarters on, bumpers. Now we're going to start with the rear end and front wings. These front wings, you can say they're easy and hard at the same time because they're actually separated into two halves. You get the top half, which is a bit more easier, flat, straightforward. But then here at the bottom, it appears smaller, but it actually goes way behind it. I think I've worked on something similar, but not the same panel. I think it was on a McLaren 720S, where if you've seen them before, both the doors, they have panel that sits on the inside and panel sits on the outside with a gap in between, but you have to, when you wrap them, you have to wrap all the way inside. So yeah, hopefully it looks all good.
Right guys, as you can see here, we have the Lancia Delta Integrale. It's been stripped. Now this car is from 1992, so it's over 31 years old. Our technician Mark has had to be very, very, very delicate because not only is it 31 years old, finding parts for this if we were to break something like that, you know, heaven forbid, it'd be very, very difficult to get hold of. Of course, looking after the customer's pride and joy as well. So this is the level we go to. It's going to go a very, very, very cool colour, very interesting. And to me, I think it's right as well. I think what he's doing with it, it's going to look really cool. So I'm really excited about this one. As much as I love Lambos, Ferraris, Aston Martins, it's nice to see something completely unique and classic in the Yanamai's rat base.
So Crep's turned up, my guy.
My guy.
We've just done a little something to his car. We're not going to show the car, reveal the car, but you happy with what we've done?
Crazy.
Yeah?
Crazy.
That's it. So we've done that, but obviously, because we're not going to show the car, we need you to sign the wall.
Yeah, of course.
Obviously, we're in Enfield right now, and then Crep's coming to MK, where he's going to sign the wall there, but obviously he's got to sign the OG wall. So there's your pen. It depends where you want to sign, because there's a lot of people on the wall that you'll recognise.
I want to be an eye line.
An eye line, so you want to come over here then?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to come over here. So no one's actually signed this wall. So this wall, there was a door here.
Oh, is it?
So and obviously all these pictures were on the RSJs inside, like people like Lethal and people like that. So you're the first one to actually sign the new wall that hasn't got a door on. So he's OG then.
Let's go.
Yeah?
Original.
So correct the sign in the wall, bro. Let's go.
Can I go in the middle?
Bro, go wherever you want, mate. I don't care.
My God. You know what I mean?
Done. Crep signed the wall. Another big name that's been here, had some work done.
Yes.
Bro, I appreciate you, man.
I appreciate
Thank you so
bro.
much.
Proper sick service as well.
Yeah, you like how we work?
Yeah, bro. Like earlier than said, yeah.
It's easy how we work. And to be fair, we've known about each other, but Young Philly done the intro.
Yeah, big up Philly.
So shout out Young Philly.
My brother.
And we'll see you in MK.
Yes, definitely.
Love
my G.
Lamborghini Urus. Yes, this is now on the website. It's $9.99 for anyone to play. If you're a Y Club member, you pay $4.99. It's a guaranteed draw, someone has to win it. If you don't want the car and you want a cash alternative, we will let you have £150,000 instead. Head over there and good luck.
So last week you would have seen us on a different car fitting up some more arches. We've done the same to this one. Here's one finished of what the final product looks like without the tape. We did quite a few of these. It's a nice subtle OEM finish.
So that's all done now, so just going to check it all by hand on the clamps and then, yeah, road test tomorrow morning.
So we are getting shots of this lovely yellow Urus that came in for the carbon kit. All these videos will be used on YouTube, social media, along with video. It is really hard. I've never talked on camera like this. We are trying to highlight the carbon fiber features of this car. The light will make this look really nice, and then we can put it into a nice big edit. Oh, that sounded so lame. How do you do it? I don't know how to speak on camera. I take the mick out of him because he looks awkward on camera, but I've just realized how awkward it actually is, yeah. Once we're all finished here with these videos and Brandon's photos, this is Brandon, who's on the photography side. We are gonna get back on the computers, make an edit of this, and you'll see it on YouTube soon. And yeah, hope you guys, oh my fucking God.
Right, so let's head into the wrap bay. Yes, Enrique's back. Enrique! Hello, baby, how are you?
I'm all right, thank you very much.
I'm back to take what's mine.
I come here to take back what's mine, man. No, it's not.
From Brazil.
Come here to help the boys, yeah?
Yeah?
I help you guys, yeah?
So Enrique's here. You would have seen him in the wrap job. Click here, you can see the wrap job. So Enrique's here. What are you working on, Enrique?
It's a rally car is parked outside. I think it's a
What car is
Dacia,
it?
yeah?
Lancia.
Lancia, yeah?
Integrale.
Integrale, yeah?
You know this car?
No,
Talk to me,
not very
talk to
much.
me. he loves the camera so much.
Yeah.
Lancia Integrale.
No, yeah, I don't know much about this car. Yeah, I would love to know the history. Yeah.
Okay, I'm not going to tell you.
All right, click here and you Google and consider
Over there.
the history of these cars. Yeah.
Okay, you're wrapping the door, yeah?
Yeah, wrapping the doors, all shooters, returners, everything. Yeah, in this car.
Okay. So you got Cav here, and we have Vlad, and obviously you know Tev already. Nice.
Yes, I think you guys making the dream team again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're bringing a new team. What do you think of this? The new place to work in?
It looks like art, you know, is like a very nice space. I bet you over there would love to be around it. Yeah.
So it's nice, yeah?
Clean, nice. The temperature is perfect, everything. And they strip us up there. They take every bit of the car, yeah, make everything easy for us, yeah.
It's a big setup now, isn't it?
Very big.
It's big. Pause. Heat guns. We always need heat guns. And that is the last one. Here you go, Enrique. Thank you. Shout out DeWalt. It's not a brand deal. It was just something that we had to order loads of equipment from. We always buy our stuff from DeWalt. And they looked after us. So there it is. The Lancia Integrale is now fully wrapped in gloss white with the Martini stripes in it. We couldn't put the Martini on because it is heading out to Dubai next week. Do you prefer it in red or do you prefer it in white? I think it looks much better in white. It's got collecting motors on the back end with the white wheels. I do love a white car with white wheels. This looks insane. And imagine this on the backdrop in Dubai. It's incredible. I'm really pleased we've done this. It's something different. I know Lenny loves this car as well. It's all good and well wrapping the Lambos and the Porsches and the Ferraris, but this sort of car is what it's all about. Oh, it's so nice. We had to paint all the grills and everything because they were all red. But yeah, it's done. The next time you see this will be in Dubai. Hopefully I'll get the owner to send me some pictures and stuff out there. So thanks for watching, guys. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. My car is here and it's inside. Why? You'll find out real soon. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.